Hey guys, RNG here, back with another video.
Hello, how are you?
Today I'm going to be telling you why you should not buy this Rubik's Cube here. Now, it's not even a cube, but it's made by Rubik's and it's called the Rubik's 360. Now, this is possibly one of the worst creations of the Rubik's company. This thing is so bad. There's three main reasons why it's bad, okay, and why you shouldn't waste your money on this, okay? First of all, it's just impossible to solve. If you can actually see there's like tons of little balls and you have to try and get them through these holes. However, the only way to do it is to just shake. Really no other way, and it's probably one of the worst creations. It's the worst puzzle because you cannot get any of the holes in, and whenever you do, there's these little magnets over here which will make your ball get stuck. Second of all, it's very loud. That's all I can say. It's very loud. It's like a children's toy. And lastly, this cube has no instructions. There is no instructions online on how to get it into its source state. And the reason for that is because this cube is more physical based than mental based. It's just luck. So I really don't recommend this cube. I'd rate it 3 out of 10. It is a bit satisfying when you move these out and then you get a few balls in the little things, the rings. However, it's just very bad. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, and I'm out.
Bruh, chill.
Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody. Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody. Now I need some changes in my life. Now I need to move on in life. Now it's time.